3, go. And yes, tomorrow we're going to shoot the bundles and lace closure and lace wigs. Yes, I sent you the price list already for the bundles deal. We have 6 bundles deal and 12 bundles deal, 24 bundles deal. And this hair, remember I told you before, you use the protein treatment. Use the protein treatment and hair brand, the hair care products, I recommend Olaplex. Remember, that customer introduced to us. We need to say thank you very much to her. It can bring your hair quality back to life and raise the quality up again, remember. Okay, another customer just sent me messages now. She wants me to make a video to show how to use the WeChat. The WeChat is our Chinese app. We communicate with the people here. Okay, I will talk to you later. Let me check. Let me wait. Make a video to talk how to use WeChat. Okay, this is, remember, this is the, okay, the customer will use WeChat to order the hair with me. Remember I told you that don't put your phone number on internet, otherwise the other hair scammers can find your number and always keep sending you the messages on WhatsApp easily. It's very annoying. Like this one, this is my lovely customer, so we are using the WeChat to communicate with each other. Look, I'm busy work. I haven't done. I almost forgot to ship. Busy with work. I'll wait for that. Okay, make a medium cap. We make the hair for her. Okay, the hair she received, and she used our hair in the piano show. She's hosting. She was hosting the piano show. It's very beautiful. You must wear the very best quality in the show. Always the best for you. It's always the best. Look. Yeah, let's check again. Can you see? So if you have any special show or your singing show or your dancing shows, do not hesitate to contact me. Let me check. Okay. Oh, you are wearing the hair in the piano show? Okay, ask her. Yes, I was hosting. Oh my God. Ask your friend to make a video for me when you are on the platform hosting. The event already passed. Okay, I was crying. Okay, leave it. Next time we join the piano show. Okay, haha, yes. I will share this video on my page, Instagram, Beauty Fashion Talk 3, and Instagram, Mejor Virgin Hair. Okay, YouTube. Remember my YouTube channel, Mejor Milagros Wholesale Virgin Hair, and WhatsApp. The most important part of my phone number, iMessage, very important. And also, this I'm showing how to use our WeChat to communicate with customers. I gave you very low price and with good quality. Okay, so how to download this WeChat? Let me show you. You need to go to your app store. Then you have to okay, search WeChat. Okay, after you search WeChat, okay, you can see it. Download. I always use WeChat to video call with my customer. As you can see, we can have a group video call like this. Remember, I'm not the ambassador of this app, but it's every Chinese use this. So you can post your moments to share your mood on this app. Okay, so you can always find me on the app there. So we're always there, but don't worry. You can go back to check my YouTube channel. It's over 10 years. Don't forget, we're going to do the bundles deal and the closure deal and frontal deal tomorrow for the customers. So do not hesitate to contact me. I hope you know how to use this WeChat now. If you have any questions, just do not hesitate to contact me and I can guide you more. Okay, in the next video, I'll see you in the next video.